Hey guys, is that time of the month that we need to head our way to the uranium sector and look at the uranium spot price and see what's going on there. As of July, we closed. I haven't had a tough time trying to get the close, but I'm going with the future, which is 56.20. That was the last July the 31st, I believe, date or price. So we're going to stick with that until I see something different. So 56.20 for July. Let's look at some of the things I look at in regards to geometry and especially with the uranium sector. Positive things here is that it's above the 45-degree angle, which is good. It looks like you may want to test this 57.99. You can say pretty much $58. So that's positive. From this all-time low right here, you're hovering about the 1/3, finding its support. This is going to be the next target going up here, so that's good. That looks positive. Right here, let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Right here, this is the 45-degree. This is the 30-degree, the green line, and this is the 60. We're just dancing, grinding, going sideways, just holding that 45 degrees. So that's positive. Once we dip below it like this and maybe continue pushing lower, then, there's some sign of weakness. It is not in a strong position in regards to the geometry. But so far, that is holding right here. That's the 20 SMA on the monthly chart, 50.56. So it's heading up there, catching up with price. So I would like to see if we're going to still continue grinding higher and there's nothing crazy going on in Ukraine or nukes are going on or whatever. We take this high and continue grinding higher and maybe kiss the 30-degree angle right here. Let's see. So that's positive. That's good. That's what I want to see in regards to natural gas, that we could get at least to this area. They'll show me that there's some really good strength. But so far, that's good. From this high going down, this is the 45 and this is the 30-degree, and prices is above that, so that's bullish. That's good. Fibonacci, we're just hitting the arc circle from this low to this high in the scale chart. You can see that we're just right there, maybe a little bit over, so we'll see what's going to happen. Same thing here. Pitchfork. This is a very strong angle up here, and we pierced it, and then we came below, found support right here. And now it looks like it may want to test that angle again in regards to the pitchfork. That's bullish. That's bullish. Parallel lines. Looks like it may want to test that somewhere around 59 to $60 spot. You can see that in Fibonacci, we're dancing around the 61.8. That's the 56.20, and we're somewhere around 56. Actually, 56.42 is a 61.8 from the all-time high to this low, and we're hovering around the 56.20. So just kind of oscillating right at the fib level. Nothing there. We hit the 128.6 on time, but really stress on that. There's nothing there. I mean, we're just kind of hitting the same thing as the other arc I showed you. Lips, advance, and support. This is good. 57.74 from this low to this high. This is a key level. You see that we kissed it right here. So it looks like if it's gonna go and test that again, we'd like to see it close and then push higher and then test the Fukushima level. Same thing. This is nothing really there. There's just a lot of levels that are very far from price. And squaring the range using this high and this low, you can see that we were oscillating around here, which was at 50, and now this key level is 55.40, and we're already at 56.20. So that should be support. And what is this? 420. Keep an eye on that. 420, or at least the month of April for 2024. This is when this square ends right here. So something you want to put a note there. And then this is the square from this low to this high. And you can see that, interesting, we're coming into a vector point. So this is interesting. Let's see if we get a little closer so we can zoom in. So we were dancing around here. We popped. and now we're above this angle and coming into a vector point. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen right here. This thing is going to continue exploding, grinding higher, and trading in this square to go to this level. Is it going to be, retracement coming down here to test this 50 and change, and then bounce back up? Is it just going to go sideways here? Those are the possible paths that it could go. But there's something interesting coming here with this square or the Gann grid. So I want to see what's going to happen. And, it's going to take a while because it's a couple of months. I mean, this is a monthly close, so we're not going to get a lot of action. Uranium spot is kind of like a dinosaur. But those are my observations here on the uranium spot price. I think that it's strong, it's bullish, and the only thing that concerns me is the Ukrainian war. Hopefully that stuff ends. There's no, things going off over there. Someone made a comment on my YouTube channel saying, "Oh, those nukes, those nuclear places reactors are built, bomb proof." So I don't know. Fingers crossed. Hopefully they are. If something gets, out of control. But, keep your eyes on the Ukrainian war and Russia if you are invested in the uranium spot price. But so far, price action is bullish above 45 degree. The geometry is there confirming it. And you just got to look at the stocks and see which one's the ones you like. But so far, uranium spot price is looking good in my book. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the uranium spot price.